Hey guys, how's it going? How to host multiple domains in Hostinger. To host multiple domains on Hostinger, follow these steps. First of all, of course, you need to log in with your Hostinger. And after you log in, if you have a premium hosting plan or above, you can host more than one website on the same account, okay? Maybe over 100 websites. Each website will require its own domain name. You can see the available domains that can be purchased with them, right? You can go to websites and you can create or migrate a website. Now, next step, and if you want to host domain purchased elsewhere, make sure to point it to Hostinger name server, right? And update the DNS settings and make sure that you set up add-ons domains if needed, and upload the website files if you haven't already had that information, and then test your domains finally, and that's it. You can now host multiple domains using Hostinger. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next